exit lane.
Here's some you don't hear too often. Do what
Two
you want
people
to the
did
girl,
that.
but leave me alone.
And they're up the shoulder. Because they're special like
Here's
that.
something in my ass. I'm going to chop my
And that one's a BMW, so BMW clip, yay!
Which to me
He's
is
still on the shoulder, even though the right lane is moving just fine.
I'm the first person in the world.
That's a great no turn signal. Over. Hey, look right at me.
Your step salutes in your dark white boots, and you quoted my 25th anniversary. I think you're enough,
How's that?
baby.
Tape his bat up higher to be the best Ricky Henderson that Ricky Henderson could be. Then Ricky Henderson is going to tape his bat higher in a way that Ricky Henderson can perceive as Ricky Henderson can to be the best.
What the hell's that up? Oh, off the monster. Oh, but he's... No wonder why we weren't going. It was done by... Oh, red light. Another... Wow. Are you kidding me? What the fuck are you doing? If you think you can get ahead of me, you're mistaken. That's a left turn lane. Left turn lane.
What are they? Oh, Continentals. In fact, I've seen a lot of Odysseys with these on them. But it rides great. I mean, noise is low.
Subaru has the cut in line.
Floating down the road like you're on a cloud.
Yeah.
Like I said, the
Yeah, ran right through red. What? Whoa, shit! What are you doing?
But it's also a conversation mirror. So you can put your sunglasses in it, in there, and then do it all the way up, and you got
What?
what they call the
BMW?
conversation mirror.
And he turns without signaling too, so extra credit.
Ended up covering this hole in the top of the electrical box with some tape. I didn't want bugs or dust or anything getting down into the electrical box. There was also a hole in this that I needed to plug because we needed to remove this to check some of the wiring.
Oh, what the hell's this? Yeah, people are coming over the windows too early behind me. What? Special kind of douchebag. And he just, he nearly missed the entire light cycle. What? still going for it. You're gonna merge in, go, come on.
Try to ruin our weekends. He's the author of the column that brought these Matt Harvey, Scott Morris, Sandy Alderson shindig together. That's campaign. Should we be mad at John Heyman for this column?
Rather than buying a new compact and feeling unfulfilled, why not invest in a used luxury vehicle? It will probably
There was no one behind me for miles. Signal. Oh, last second move over. Ah, stupid asshole. Yeah, what exactly did that accomplish? She was going to move all the way to the left anyways. My spidey sense is tingling. How did I guess? No signal on that BMW.
Richard face is all burned. Red got mad and his head started shaking.
We're only gonna get stuck on the traffic that's a mile ahead anyway. And you're just gonna ride up the shoulder, aren't you? Yeah, last second exit. Signal. Florida, go back down there. Yeah, let's roll right through that stop sign. Nope. Wow, whoa, T-I-O. What the hell is that?
Hampshire, while Ben Carson has pulled within 7 points in Iowa. Chris Christie, meantime, is way back.
So far, the Christie campaign is not getting any traction.
Jim Smith, WCBS.
Come on, you drive slower than my mother does. Alright, here's a question. The traffic light is right over your head. How are you going to know if it turns green? And that guy ran a red light. The fuck is that? How did I guess you were gonna do that? And you got your right blinker on and you're not turning anywhere. The fuck? Oh, you got a flat tire, dude.
Around in
Oh, he's kind of in the crowd.
I think Minnesota's going to be improved this year. I just don't think level of Green Bay.
No, we're challenging for division title this year. That's improvement. Wait a minute. Now, let me tell you something. Let me break this down. I love my
It's a
offensive
Subaru,
weapons a lot
too.
better than what
Knows what happened to Strasburg a few years ago. Washington had the best team,
What do you do?
if not the second best team in the league. Right.
Yeah, signals help in situations like that. I'm just saying.
Exactly. First off, the communication is terrible.
Last second move
go to
over.
Harvey and say, okay, we're going to move the innings back.
Everything, like I said, basically get ready to use this equipment. Like I said, I've been waiting for this for a long time, and I'm kind of excited about it. So here we go. We have a breaker, and by the way, this needs a 50.
Bunch of redneck jack-offs driving 500 miles in a circle? 500 miles in a circle?
Passing on a double
Children
line.
can do that, for Christ's sake. Doesn't impress me. I want to see some schmuck with...
Oh. Yeah. How's that truck doing? Oh, a lot of people. What? I stopped first. That's just fucking flat out littering. Yeah, that truck achieved a lot. Wow. What? Whoa! Ah. Yeah, van just turns, even though it really... Oh, douchebag. Douchebag. Yeah, we got an exit here. We're not signaling.
Governor Cuomo's aide with a gunshot wound to the head. A driver wanted in a fatal
Yeah, you
run
definitely
in
ran that
Portland,
red light.
to police.
Just saying, but parking spaces everywhere. People over to your left. What? Odyssey.
You can't even calculate how big that was and how unlikely it was with what's gone on the last couple of weeks.
Oh, that's dumb up there.
What are you doing?
Oh, last second exiter way up there. Let me guess, it's gonna come through the service plaza. Wow. No fucks given. Oh, look at that infinity way up there. It's a left turn only lane. See how that turns out. I kind of want to do...
And clinical research, along with Valley's unique personalized care and service,
what are you doing?
means you
Oh
get
my
easy
God.
access to superior heart.
The fuck? Fucking bitch! Wow. Oh, screen!
So let's look at the scan tool now. First thing I did was
get out of his
read
way.
the fault codes on this and our history codes. We have a transmission range.
Oh, what? Signs for the last 2 miles saying that Route 7 splits off that way.
No buses in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because we're in Connecticut. No buses in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. Oh, well, sucks to be you. You're in the video and we're stuck in traffic. Oh, well, life sucks. And this is not a voiceover, by the way. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Okay, I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.